Hello and welcome to the Dezperate Actor YouTube channel. It's me, Steve Des from Dezperateactor.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to de-role when working with a traumatic character. So throughout your journey, especially as you go along, you might find yourself in situations where you're going to have to do traumatic scenes or portray characters that have severe trauma issues. So when you're very involved in these characters and you get really into character, sometimes once we're done shooting and filming things, we can have certain traits or certain mindsets from that character. And it's important that you absolutely detach and de-role from that character, so that mindset that that character was and you put yourself in does not carry on your regular life or future characters that you do in the future. So de-rolling is a very important thing, and there's many ways that you can achieve and accomplish this. One of the ways that helped me was through journaling and meditating, and those two things are absolutely free. Sometimes we underestimate it or undervalue things that are fully for free, and we value things that we pay for. And sometimes it's quite the opposite. Like even this YouTube channel, and I have a podcast, the Dezperate Actor Podcast. You can check it out at desperateactor.com. I give so much free information that is so valuable. And literally without you paying me a dime of absolutely nothing, you can be learning and leveling up your life to the next level without you paying nothing, And sometimes we put way more emphasis on things that we pay for because we are actually doing an exchange. And we have to also take advantage of all the things that are at our disposal of being absolutely free. For example, if you are doing a self-tape and let's say you don't have enough money to buy really fancy equipment, then use the ones that you already have. There's no reason for you to feel less than or that you are not valuable because you only have what you have. What you have is okay. Just work from where you are. So same thing with de-rolling. Don't underestimate the value of meditating. Don't underestimate the value of journaling, because these things will help you get out of thought patterns that maybe that character was fully attached on, or you put yourself in order to be in the mindset and frame of that specific character. Another way that has helped me a lot has been through exercise. So daily I go to either the gym, to the beach, to the track and go running, or do some type of workout. Exercising, a lot of people emphasize on the body, they look better, and it's really good, but really exercise is all about the mind. It's really great to exercise on a daily basis, or at least on a weekly basis, often, because it helps clear your brain from all the fog that you might created while entering this role or this character. Another way, and this will be more of a paid way to actually de-role, will be through therapy. So if you want free therapy, then schedule a call with a friend of yours or somebody that is willing to listen to you or give you feedback, but make sure to be respectful of their time and be like, hey, I have some things to get off my chest. Do you mind listening to me for at least 30 minutes to an hour? When do you have the best available time to do that? And make sure you schedule it. Don't bombard one of your friends to listen to you or give you advice, because they might not be in the right mindset to do that at that time. So make sure you schedule those. If you go the paid route, which is the most recommended, because these are professional people, will be through therapy. So schedule with a therapist near you that can actually help you go through these motions and these things, because there's certain things about scenes and characters that are very traumatic that might trigger something from your past, or something that maybe you weren't even thinking of, but when you accepted this role and you portrayed this role, it might have created like a chain of reactions within you. So always make sure that you de-role as much as possible. I would say Definitely a no-no is to overindulge in negative habits. That will be drinking too much, smoking too much, whatever it is that you're doing that's sending you into a path of addiction because you haven't dealt with the traumatic things from the character. Definitely don't take those. If you see yourself going into a rabbit hole or into a negative pattern, definitely make sure you seek help. And that will be through therapy, through friends, through your inner circle, through journaling, meditating, doing all these different things that will actually help you de-roll in a more efficient way. So these are just examples. There's many, many, many more ways that you can de-roll apart from exercise and meditating and all the different things that I just mentioned. But use these as a starter. Use these as a way to cope with those things that you have to let out if you did take a traumatic role or a traumatic scene that you had to go through in order for you to fully de-roll and be back to your full self. So make sure you do those things. If you want more information about different ways to do that, make sure to check out everything that we have here at the Dezperate Actor. Make sure to check out our audio coaching that's absolutely free in our podcast at desperateactor.com. We have also premium courses. We have books and so much resources for you there at desperateactor.com. So make sure you check those out. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do. And I'll catch you on the next one, all right? Take care and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.